Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing shampoo slime, and none of them work. I literally tried all of them. I'm going to be testing out this method because I've never tried it, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get on with the video. Okay, so the things you will need is a mixing bowl. I'm a mixing tool. I'm using a popsicle stick. And this I actually had to make just in a little salsa container. It's 2 tablespoons of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. So it did not call for baking soda, just baking soda works so much better for shampoo slimes. And I'm going to be testing out, I'm going to be testing out if it's better than this clear slime. Here, it won't focus. Yeah, so this is not a very good clear slime, so I think it has a big chance. It pokes pretty well though. So yeah. So I'm just using, this is the coconut brand, like with the coconut shampoo, but it's not the coconut shampoo itself. It's still clear, literally it's slime without adding anything. So here, I'm going to put the camera a little lower. There we go. Remove that so you can see the slime. And then I'm not going to be doing a ton. Just about that much. So yeah, let's see how much I did. It won't focus. Well, I did about that much. So yeah, I'm gonna go put that away because I actually use it. Okay, so I'm back. I have my shampoo. This one is like, it's already slime, look at it. So yeah, I'm just gonna stir this up. This is such a nice shampoo. It smells so good. It was cherry blossom instead of coconut, so it smells really good. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take a pinch, just a little bit of that salt, like a half a pinch actually. And none of the salt slimes work for me, so I don't know. And you are going to have to put this in the freezer a little bit, just for a quick second, huh? Yeah, I'll be back when I'm done mixing. Okay, so I added salt one more time, but I forgot to show you. So this is going to be like a jiggly slime. Like, I can already poke it without it sticking, but it gets my fingers kind of wet, so that's why you are going to put it in the freezer. And it's really sticky. I'm gonna be shooting, so I figured out my scheduled dates of when I'm gonna be shooting my videos. It's gonna be in this exact same spot every Sunday because all the other days are busy. I've tried to do them on Mondays and Tuesdays and Wednesdays. And the weekdays, that didn't work. Saturdays are my busy days, oh, let's do this, let's do that. And Sundays are my at-home relaxing days. So I decided I'm gonna do it on Sundays. Now I'm gonna add you're gonna add this mixture stuff one last time. You just have to add it 3 times. And then you put it into the freezer. And I just like stirring it because it gets bubbles. I don't even know if that's important for this type of slime. But anyways. Yeah. So, and this is gonna go in the freezer for 10 minutes. Because I've tried it for literally 11 minutes. No, not 11. 15 minutes and it froze. And 5 literally does nothing. So right in the middle is 10. So yeah, I'm just gonna go pop this in the freezer. And if your freezer's too packed or something, you have to do it in your fridge. It does take about like 2 hours for the fridge to even do anything. But if you want to do it like 4 hours in the fridge, or like a day in the fridge, is the same exact thing as like 10 minutes in the freezer. So yeah, I'm gonna go put this in the freezer and I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back. It was actually in there for 11 minutes, but it's fine. So before I touch it, I'm gonna use this popsicle stick. Some of it is like frozen on the outside, so it was really thin. But all the thin parts got frozen, but if it wasn't thin, it didn't get freezing. What I like about making my videos outside is there's like people like talking, or you can just hear the animals and nature. Okay, so I'm gonna set this up where you can see it from the top. I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back. I have it. So I'm just gonna here, I'm having to hold this, so let me do that again. Okay, sorry about like all of this stuff right here. But since I don't know where my tripod is, I have to put it on these boxes. So yeah, but this is how it's looking. Here, I'll scoot it over so you can see it better. Oh, let me zoom in. There. So see, it's like slimy. So I'm just gonna I might even go add some more baking soda to this mixture. So yeah, I'm gonna go add some more baking soda to that. Okay, so here it is. I added like a teaspoon more of baking soda. Actually like a teaspoon and a half. So yeah, so I'm just gonna add a little bit. And then you mix. Okay, I don't want to get my hands really dirty, so I haven't touched it with my hands really yet. It's a tiny bit sticky, but I could easily fix that with some of this baking soda stuff. So I'm gonna add some of that. Ew. Okay, so I'm gonna keep using the stick since it was kind of sticky. But I feel like it's getting better and better. So I'll be back when I feel like it's completely done. Okay, so since I was gonna put it in for another 10 minutes, it's actually been 10 minutes, but I'm gonna let it sit a little more, and I'm just gonna show you what this slime is like, the one we're comparing it to. So it's purple, but it looks blue. Here, let me get in this one. So it's, can't really tell. There we go. And it's purple, and it's really nice. Can you? 1 second. Here, just listen to it. I'll be, I guess I'll sit right here for a second. Oh, I'm upside down. Okay. So, just listen to it. It's not the best at poking. And there are some gold sequins. It looks blue on the camera. Not really any of my clear slimes are very stretchy. Ooh, they're a little the sequins. They're holographic. Okay, so yeah. Now I'm gonna go get the slime out of the freezer. Okay, so let me just zoom in. Okay, so I just got it back out of the fridge. Sorry, can't really see. It's really blurry right now. Let me fix that. There. So yeah. Oh, I forgot I wasn't gonna touch with my fingers yet. Okay. I don't need to set up one sec. Ooh. Okay. So I'm right here. Here's the slime. Look at me. Ooh, yay. It's working, I think. It worked. Okay, so you don't need to put it in the freezer anymore. This is really thick, actually. Okay, so I'm just gonna add even smaller than I did before. Tiny, like 2 of the little like pebbles of salt. Oh, by the way, I'm using Morton salt. That's all it said. It was like the girl with like the yellow umbrella or something. I don't know. And I'm just using I forgot what it's called. I don't know. Just baking soda that's in the orange box. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my hands to see if this worked. So, it's super cold, but it's not very stretchy. So it's very cold. I don't want to play with it because it's so cold. But it is slime. It just makes your hands kind of dirty. So I'm going to go put this in the sun for a sec. I think I might actually... I don't know. I'm going to go wipe my hands off in the grass one sec. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna keep stirring, and I think I might just go and get some baking soda and then just add like pure baking soda so it isn't so sticky, but I also don't want to. So I think that let me get this. So I'm gonna go put this in the sun for a couple seconds. One sec. Anymore. So I'm just gonna keep stirring this. This is like a slime, see? Look at it. Look at it. So look at this. So watch an actual clear slime just fall out. See, it comes out in like one big piece. And then, watch how, if they come out in the same way, if this one just like plops out like that one did, then it would basically be the same thing. Well, it is just, oh no. So, see if it like drizzles. Oh, it just popped out like that one. Ew, there's some hair in it, which was my hair. I mean, it was a dog hair that came off of me. Ew. This is so cold, it hurts my fingers to touch it. Here, can you guys hear this poke? One sec. Do you guys hear that? Because I don't. I'm gonna play with this purple slime. And I might do something because I've been wanting to do it to this slime for a while. And I might do it. Oh yeah, so guys, I forgot to post 2 weeks ago, so I'm going to be making 2 videos today. So if you see me, I wear this sweatshirt every single time I make a video. So I'm not like making a ton of videos every week or something. So yeah. So don't forget to, wait, listen. Yeah, nothing. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below for more videos. More video suggestions. I think I'm gonna start doing, so every Sunday I'm gonna be doing a slime video like this one, fixing slimes, making slimes, how to make this slime, or shampoo slime, and then I think on Tuesdays, since I do nothing, I just have sports on most of the other days, or I'm busy. I'm gonna be doing making drawing, or how to make this, or crafty. So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye, love you.